A fast departure from a key employee at Anthropic raises questions about the company's commitment to safety. Microsoft is integrating DeepSeek R1 even deeper into its products. And Google's cheesy ad, once again, has avoidable errors. Welcome to Hashtag Trending. I'm your host, Jim Love. Let's get into it. John Schulman, co-founder of OpenAI and a leading voice in AI alignment, has left Anthropic after just 6 months. Schulman reportedly departed to focus on AI alignment, a move that suggests he may not have found the focus on safety that he was looking for at Anthropic. Anthropic was founded in 2021 by former OpenAI researchers with a mission to develop AI systems that prioritize safety and alignment with human values. Schulman, who spent 9 years at OpenAI before leaving during a wave of high-profile departures that included CTI Mira Murati and co-founder Ilya Sutskever, may have left due to similar concerns, but his early departure aligns with growing concerns that Anthropic, like OpenAI, is shifting to a more commercially driven approach. Industry insiders have speculated that Anthropic may be prioritizing product development and revenue growth over its original commitment to AI safety. The increasing competitive pressures in the AI space may make it inevitable that safety and alignment take a backseat to progress and market dominance. Geoffrey Hinton, the godfather of AI, has recently commented on this, warning that the race to build the most powerful AI systems could lead to companies compromising on safety measures in their pursuit of technological leadership. So as AI development accelerates, the industry's commitment to alignment will be closely watched. If companies like Anthropic are moving away from their safety-first roots, it could signal a broader trend of shifting priorities in the race to dominate the AI landscape. Microsoft has announced the integration of DeepSeek R1 AI models into Windows 11 Copilot+ PCs, enabling on-device AI capabilities. The move enhances performance, privacy, and accessibility by allowing users to run AI-powered applications locally rather than relying solely on cloud services. Initially, the rollout will focus on Copilot+ PCs powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon X processors, with plans to extend support to Intel's Core Ultra 200V and AMD's AI-enabled chipsets. Developers will still be able to access DeepSeek's first available model, DeepSeek R1 Distill Qwen 1.5B. You gotta love the names on these, through Microsoft's AI Toolkit, with larger models expected in the future. DeepSeek R1 has gained attention for its strong reasoning capabilities and its efficiency, offering an alternative to larger, costlier AI models. Its integration into Windows 11 represents Microsoft's broader strategy to expand its AI ecosystem and provide users with more advanced, locally processed AI features. While this development signifies a significant advancement in Microsoft's AI integration, it also prompts some consideration of how this might influence Microsoft's existing partnership with OpenAI. As Microsoft diversifies its AI offerings, the dynamics of its collaborations in the AI sector may evolve accordingly. In prepping an ad for the Super Bowl, Google's AI tool Gemini confidently declared that global Gouda cheese consumption was 20 million tons a year. There's just one problem with that. That's almost the total global cheese production, which sits at about 22 million tons. Gouda? Probably more like 2 to 4 million tons. But hey, don't quote me on this. I got those numbers from the internet. And that's exactly the problem. Now, it would be easy to take this as just another case of Google tripping over itself while launching an AI product. But that's not the whole story. If the reports are correct, the software got the numbers accurately from several sites, not just one. But this glaring mistake wasn't caught by Google's own team. It was spotted by a blogger who posted about it on X. So the real question isn't whether AI can learn. It's whether Google's staff can learn. To be fair, the mistake was corrected before the ad aired during the Super Bowl, but only after it was out there in the wild. And this isn't just a Google problem. It wasn't a hallucination. The AI didn't pull that number out of thin air. It checked multiple sources, and they all agreed. The catch? The sources were all wrong. And this is how misinformation works online. One bad fact gets copied, repeated, and suddenly it's truth. AI just makes that process faster. And here's where it gets even messier. Google and OpenAI both just launched research-focused AI tools, confusingly naming them both deep research. And these are supposed to improve the reliability of AI-generated content. But if AI is just checking multiple sources that all have the same bad facts against each other, what kind of solution is that? At the end of the day, AI can only be as good as the data it pulls from. There is something that says that these newer models that are specialized and operate with a limited source of data that we might be able to guarantee as more or less correct may be one of the solutions. At the end of the day, we're still going to be reliant on the internet as a source of information. And if AI can only be as good as the data it pulls from, that means human oversight is still crucial. But let's be real. Google hires some of the smartest people in the world. So why do these smart people keep missing obvious mistakes? Maybe the problem isn't just about having a human in the loop. Maybe it's about picking the right humans and making sure that not only are they educated in computer science, but they have another form of education, and they've learned the ability to think critically. And that's our show for today. You can reach me at editorial@technewsday.ca. You can find me on LinkedIn, or you can leave me a comment right after you give us a thumbs up and a subscription on YouTube. I'm kidding. We love it, but I'm not pushing you on this. But please leave a comment if you found something in the stories, and we'd be glad to get to it. I hope you can join us this weekend for the next episode of our series, Can Canada Get Its Mojo Back? That'll be our weekend episode. And we have a special guest, Senator Colin Deacon, and a fascinating discussion. And for fans of Project Synapse, we'll still be doing an episode that'll be broadcast only on YouTube. You'll be able to find a link in the show notes, and we hope you join us. I'm your host, Jim Love. Have a fabulous Friday.